for 2018 in Queens, New York. We're expected to get about 8 to 12 inches of snow, and it's been snowing since around 6. You can see there's a lot of snow going on here. Unlike the snowfall we had back in December, this one's much more intense, as you can see. Well, the cats are looking for shelter, so we're just gonna let them inside the house, hope they warm up a bit, and we'll see what happens. We're expected to be hit until tomorrow, Friday. So let's see how this snowstorm goes one day later. And you can see pretty much everything is covered up. Here's a shovel. I want the barbecue grill. There's one of the cats right there looking for a little shelter. There's Tiger.